Davis. Let's go in there, baby.
This one. This is closer.
You are late. It's probably about maybe 2 hours, maybe.
2 hour wait. I don't know. Where do you want to sit?
What are we doing here? We're at Lexus right now.
North side, Texas.
And apparently they received 20 catalytic converter cover for the RX here in North Side only. I called West Side because that's closer to us, but they don't have the RX. They only have the bigger cars, catalytic converter cover or guard.
Did she answer?
Yeah, so we went all the way here to get that installed. What happened was my daughter's Sequoia's catalytic converter got stolen in front of her work, so it's a good protection, I guess. And it's $600.
Good installation.
Yeah. I think if you're just gonna buy that cover, it's like $400. But then with installation, it will be $600 plus tax. It will be a total of $650, something like that. But we'll update you later when we get the receipt, and then we'll probably show you what it looks like. So if you've been waiting for one, it's available now here in the North Side. This is for our 2022 RX 350 Sports Lexus.
Yep.
That's the cover for the GX 460 and LX 570 if you have that. But the RX is not on display. This is their gift shop. Nice.
I got it right here. Whenever you're ready.
As always, they will clean your car, wash your car, and vacuum your mats. It wasn't bad earlier, but
Nice.
they vacuumed it. Are you able to look down there what they did? How is it? It's good?
Yeah, it's nice actually.
I got me a little key holder. They have black, brown, and red, but they don't have the black and brown. So I got the red one, which I don't mind. It's cute.
It's now you can clip it into your purse or something.
Yeah. The installation took around 1.5 hours. We were there at around 10 o'clock and it was finished at 11:30 for them to install the whole thing, and we're happy about it. We mentioned earlier why we decided to get this cat converter cover or guard. Why, babe?
Because recently my daughter's car, her cats were stolen. So we decided we need to get ours protected.
And not only that, we know a couple other people that got their cat converters stolen also. So it's sad, but it's happening. It's very inconvenient for those who get their cat converter stolen, because most of the time you have to order these catalytic converters from the dealership and it takes forever.
Here's a tip though.
Yeah, there's a tip.
If you do get your cat stolen, don't buy the original ones, get a universal ones because they won't steal that again. but they will steal the original ones. If you get original ones, more than likely they're gonna steal that again. So get universal ones.
Get the universal, and that's what we did for my daughters. It was 2005 Toyota Sequoia, and there's no reason for us to wait. She really needed the car. Just have to get it done as soon as we can, and we don't have time to wait or even pay that much money for an old SUV. I mean, it has like 200,000 miles on it, still running great, but just don't have a catalytic converter. So what we did is we went to Amazon and found a MagnaFlow catalytic converter and found a muffler shop, and they were able to put the 2 catalytic converter for that Sequoia. $150. It's $75 per catalytic.
Yeah, so $150.
And
pretty good.
I paid like how much did I pay for the catalytic converter? It's like $200 per. So all in all, it's like $650. And you have to get that O2 sensor also. Very unfortunate that people are stealing the catalytic converter. There's like parking lots in front of HEBs, at the hospitals, any parking lot, even Lexus parking lot. Shame on these people. So if it costs you about $650 to help protect your catalytic converter, I think it's worth it.
Hopefully it deters the thieves not to steal it.
That's all we can say about that.
Yep.
All right, let's talk about the 10,000 mile mark. Still loving the car. I know that the newest one is coming up, but I'm pretty confident about this car. This has been proven to last. So yeah, still loving it.
Still drives the same as we first bought it. Acceleration's good, it feels smooth. The drive is really comfortable. We took it to Austin, twice? No, one time.
Took it to Austin for a long trip.
And the drive was just nice and smooth, comfortable.
What about the seats? Can you say something about the seats?
Well, the seats are comfortable. You know, they're bucket seats. They're supposed to be. It's nice.
For me, if it's a long drive, I think I find it very comfortable to have a neck pillow so that I can sleep while we drive. They rotated the wheels. I think they rotated every 5,000.
Yeah, it was 5,000.
So they rotated it twice already, and on the 10,000 mark, they changed the oil. All these for free. I don't know if it's true for all Lexus's dealership around Houston, but if you buy it from north side or west side, the first 25,000 miles is free maintenance. That's a plus. So we took it twice already, 5,000 and then 10,000, and I have 3 more to go. I think 10,000 came so fast, and I only drive in Houston. So later on, I will be showing you the breakdown and how much I paid, okay? All right. Here's the breakdown of how much we spent for the cat converter guard. The parts is $400, the labor is $209, and some miscellaneous charges and tax. Total of $655.06. Time for lunch. We stopped by Fadi's Mediterranean restaurant and we got beef kebabs. I think that's tahini sauce, but we like garlic sauce. So we're just gonna eat that meat. Same with Daddy. How is it, babe?
Very good.
Is that gonna be enough for you, babe?
It'll be alright.